If you're an FL Studio producer, this free pack is for you. It's called the FL Preset Power Pack, and it has 3 patcher presets, which are for mixing. It has 4 beat mixer templates. We have an EDM, hip hop, mixer template with dynamic EQ, and a vocal template. Then we have 5 destructor presets. This is also an effects plugin. We have an alien preset, a bass guitar amp, a guitar amp preset, electronic, and a live recording preset. And lastly, we have 5 guitar amp presets. Let me give you a quick look. This one is a drum bus for hard-hitting drums. We can just click and drag it onto our drum bus. You see it has an EQ, a compressor, a bass boost, a soft clipper. And that's instantly gonna level up your drums and get them hitting a little bit harder. And you can also go into these plugins and tweak anything that you need. And you can also see we have a drum bus for wide high end and then a kick low end boost. Let's take a quick look at one of the mixer templates. Let's go to the hip hop template, for instance. And as you can see here, everything's color coded, everything's routed already. We have drum bus, synth bus, instrument, bass, vocal bus, effects bus. Everything's routed, everything is sent to the correct channels, and everything is separated and very, very organized. We also have some sends over here, reverb and delay sends as well. This is how all of the mixer templates come. And you can see we also have an EDM, dynamic EQ, and a vocal template. And then with these 5 destructor presets, all you got to do is again click and just drag them into any slot on your mixer. It's going to open up just like this, and as you can see, it's pretty much like a pedal board. If you haven't used Destructor, it's an awesome tool. You could stack effects on top of effects just like a guitar pedal board. This one has distortion, chorus, and filter. The Dark Nirvana guitar has distortion, another distortion, and a speaker where you can separate the stereo or you can merge the separation as well. Now let's take a look at one of the guitar amps. For instance, we can again click and drag that into the mixer slot. Got some distortion and chorus and a reverb preset. And you can put this on anything, by the way, not just guitars. You can put it on vocals, other instruments. You could download this whole pack absolutely free. All you got to do is go to yahelpme.com, go to the free section, scroll down to the bottom. You can see all these other free presets and packs we got here. Click on the FL Preset Power Pack, add to the cart, and you're good to go. If you have any comments or requests, drop them down in the comments below, and make sure to share this with a friend if you get me.